The Perfect Colony to Settle In by Aniya and Noah. This region has more colonies to settle in so you can have more opportunities.
Debtors and slaves. In the southern region, we have slaves to work on the plantations and farms, and debtors to pay off their debt.
The southern colony specializations. Some of the amazing specializations are cash crops, which are indigo, cotton, rice, and tobacco. We also have great forests for lumber, so you can make lots of houses and capital resources.
Delicious and useful imported goods. You don't have to do everything by yourself. You can get goods imported. The southern colonies get imported goods like fish, livestock, grains, and metal, tools, and equipment because this colony lacks these goods.
The unique geography of the southern colonies. The southern colonies are the only region that have long, hot summers. They have a humid climate, fertile soil, long rivers, and forests.
Are you wealthy or are you poor? If you're wealthy, then you most likely will own a plantation, slaves, and a big house. If you're poor, you most likely will be an indentured servant or debtor.
Come to the southern colonies. You'll love it here.